I'm back on the road. Re-up with the plug, came back with a load. I just put a switch on the back of my pole. 50 round clip, I ain't gotta reload. A lot of these niggas be acting like hoes. You play with this shit and you gon' get exposed. Cutthroat gang, we ain't wiping his nose. Cutthroat gang, hit him with a $150. Lot of niggas hate cause they can't fuck with me. I'm full of purse, geeked up like Whitney. Cup full of syrup, I got drink in my kidney. Cup full of syrup, I ain't drinking Hypnotic. That nigga broke, I could tell he ain't got it.
Guys, it's your boy Desto Dub, and we over here at OG Nation.
Drinking exotics. I been getting money like 3 or 4 ways. I can flush 10 P's like 3 or 4 days. In the trap spot like 3 or 4 K's. I done made what I spent off of 3 or 4 plays. I done made what I spent off of 3 or 4 licks. Niggas hoes, they done drunk for like 3 or 4 clicks. Get a nigga knocked off for like 3 or 4 nicks. Have my young nigga slobbing like 3 or 4 sticks. Yeah, nigga play, we gon' spin like a carousel. This shit for real and you live in a fairy tale. Walk down, hit him with air shell. If I get caught for some shit.